It is March 29th, and about 8:15 or so, we camped about 2 miles outside of Damascus last night. So it was a 24-mile day yesterday. Came up just short of a marathon. Could have hit a marathon if I'd gone into Damascus, but no real reason. Didn't have a place booked. So Honey Stinger booked us Airbnb for tonight. So looking forward to that, sleeping inside and doing laundry. Definitely looking forward to that. So hiking into Damascus this morning and crossed over into Virginia yesterday. I was I don't think I looked real happy in those photos. I was tired, man. That was a long day. But anyway, I should have looked a little happier in those photos. But I am happy to be in Virginia, and I'm real happy to be hiking into town this morning. First stop is the diner, and we are going to hit some breakfast. So yeah, I'm going to put this phone away and hike these 2 miles into Trail Town, USA, aka Damascus. Or maybe I guess it should be the other way around. Anyway, yeah. I'll show you the arch when we get there. Oh yeah, one other thing, weather update. It is 34 degrees outside right now. So it's pretty chilly, and it was pretty cold last night, but I was warm. My quilt definitely needs to be dried out. It's gotten kind of damp with condensation the last couple nights. And some of the down has kind of shifted around, so definitely need to make some adjustments there. But everything's great. All my gear's worked out really well. People have been asking me about my clothes and whatnot. I might send a few things home a little while down the line, but so far I'm gonna keep everything. So it's all seemed to be working out well. We got rain last night, but it didn't start raining until after we were all set up and in our tents. So everything was good. Just kind of got to listen to the rain patter on top of the Dyneema tent. That's a nice way to fall asleep. So anyway, that's a little weather update for you. I think it's supposed to be, it looks like it's going to be sunny today, and I'm sure it'll warm up. And I think over the next few days, I think it's going to continue to maybe get a little bit warmer, which would be nice because it's harder to pack up when it's cold. But anyway, I'll show you the arch when we get to Damascus. First views of Damascus down below. It's kind of hard to see through the trees. That's how everything is, but let's zoom in a little bit. I don't know, it doesn't capture well on camera, but anyway, it's exciting for me to see. I love going into town. Here we go. Made it to Damascus.
Yeah, baby.
All right, this is what you call bonus miles. We're walking 1.6, is it 1.6?
1.8.
1.8, Jesus.
So 3.6 in total.
To a pizza place, because somebody booked an Airbnb out of town.
Somebody. God knows who.
Yeah. Bonus miles. All right, here's a quick tour around the little place that we got in Damascus. Honey Stinger found for us and booked. Here's the little kitchen. Nice little setup, real nice. Little pantry area, all my gear kind of thrown around. Laundry, that was awesome. Bathroom, shower back there, awesome. And through here, we got one bedroom in here, and another bedroom in there, showtime. And Kamikaze packing up, trying to fit his food bag into his bag.
It fits, kind of.
Way too much food. So we hiked 2 miles into Damascus today. First stop was the diner, crushed breakfast. Went over to the Outfitters, got a resupply. Showtime got some new shoes. Kamikaze got like 3 boxes sent to him, a whole bunch of food, and got some new shoes sent to him as well. Let's see, Wolfie got new shoes today as well. New shoe day. We're 470 miles in, so it was definitely due. Yeah, then we went to a chicken wing place for lunch, ate a bunch of food. Then we hung out here at the place, and then we walked the bonus miles to the pizza place. And 4 of us crushed 4 large pepperoni pizzas. So that was cool. Went over to the Damascus brewery, had a beverage, and walked on back home. Now I'm going to bed. So I appreciate you following along. I appreciate all the support. And tomorrow we hike out, so back in the woods tomorrow. Thanks for following.